Okay, so when you are in your Flipgrid, it's just gonna take a minute to load, and you go ahead and you press this big green plus sign to make your response. When you do that, it's gonna take a minute to load, and I'm gonna show you all the tools that are available to you. This is a filter. So it's like Snapchat or like Facebook Messenger. You can make it black and white. You can make it all different colors. You can add text. You can add stickers. You can draw. You can have a whiteboard. You can make this a whiteboard. Or you could post a sticker. When you're done recording, you can actually embed a link. This little icon right here is you can upload a 1 minute and 30-second video and then edit it with the Flipgrid tools. Video options here. Screen recording, it does allow to do screen recording like I'm doing right now. You can add a video clip that's 1 minute and 30 seconds, or you can do it with or without audio. So say I decide to record, so I'm going to record a small brief video, and maybe I want to draw. Maybe I want to draw. Come on. Maybe I want to draw. Maybe it will let me draw. Maybe it won't. Okay, so now we're going to go next. We can record. So I'm going to record a small brief video. You could add more to that or redo it from there. Now it's going to ask you to pick a selfie. So you're going to take a selfie. There I am looking very enthused. And that will be the thumbnail of your video. So when you go into this area, the submit your video, it tells you your display name, the title, introduction to Flipgrid, and here's where you will paste your YouTube link. I don't think I have one called up, but you would paste it here and then you would submit the video. Let me get the YouTube video called up. I'm going to pause the video. Okay, now I have the YouTube video called up, so I'm going to paste it in the YouTube link, and then I'm going to go ahead and submit video. Now, I can download a QR code that my kids can scan with their cell phone that'll go to this video. I can download the video, or I can download the selfie, but I'm just going to complete the video, and it is going to show up in this area once it's done rendering. So I hope that's helpful. And reach out if you need any help.